So I want to give myself a pat on the back because I was able to accomplish this style in 3.5 hours. If you guys saw my TikTok video, I made like a video about this, saying how I started at 11 and I wanted to finish in 3 hours because that's how much time I pretty much had to finish this style. And literally I went 22 minutes over. When I said these hands were moving, and I had to film at the same time, so like, I'm hyped. This was a really fast style. I would definitely be doing this again because I'm in that phase of my life where we want to do fast styles only. So if you guys remember, I did like Cuban Marley twist a while back, like I'm talking about way back when I first started YouTube, but I decided let me do it again because it's a style that I really liked, but I tried it again. For what reason? I don't know why. So this time I originally bought 5 packs of hair, but I only ended up using 2 because I remember specifically when I did it last time, it was really heavy. I think I just used too much hair, and because the hair is so dense, you don't have to use a lot to cover your actual hair. So I was like, let me challenge myself and try to only use 2 packs of hair and make it work without the hair looking super stiff and weird. And as you can see, it worked. This hair is from Made Beauty Cuban Twist color 1B, you know, just black. But so jumping right into this video, my hair is wash and blow dried. I'm gonna be using Lock Booster. I love this product. It is meant for locks, but it has a really good grip for this style. So yeah, and I'm also out of my regular product that I use, so this will just have to work because that's what I had in the closet. So yeah, I'm just parting off my sections right now. I'm going for more of a medium, but medium on the bigger side, because like I said, I wanted to complete the style in 3 hours, and I don't plan on keeping it in longer than like 3 weeks. So I'm not gonna do it really small. So the method I'll be using today is just the regular braid down method. I won't be doing the rubber band method or anything like that. So I'm just gonna start off by doing a plait, and I'm gonna plait about a little less than a quarter way down because I want the roots to be flat, because once you start doing the twist, it'll get a little bulky on that side. So now on the front, I promise y'all I'm not missing edges. At least I don't think so. I just had cornrows, but no, I'm not missing edges. My edges are kind of always just like that. I just kind of took them out so I don't catch them in, but it really does look like I'm kind of bald in that spot. Oh my god, it looks so bad. But I'm just showing you a little detail of how you're gonna do the twist, because some people get confused after you braid it. What you do with that little part, you know, you just split it in two and then you twist it in, if that makes sense. Obviously the visual makes more sense than me explaining it to you. last steps I did that I didn't film is I did dip this in hot water and I applied mousse to it and then, you know, laid down my edges. Some people don't dip this hair, but I would recommend dipping it. It was a little tight, hence why I made that face. Also, don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification button because I will be posting a styling video with this style, different styles you can wear with it. I always love to do those for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to hit the notification button so you guys will be notified when I post that.